Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sweet Nails. I hope you all are doing amazing today. Before we get into the nail art, I just wanted to let you all know that I did buy a mic for my phone to record my audio voiceover, so hopefully moving forward it sounds a lot better. So with that being said, let's move on. I already went ahead and applied my base coat as usual. And then I'm taking Cheat You Later by Akira Sky and applying 2 layers, and I'm using this color as my base color for every single nail in this set. And then I am taking this black polish from their Gel Pro collection to draw a French tip. I am doing a glittery red French tip, but in order for the color to really pop, you need to apply a black base underneath of it. Just an FYI, all of the colors that I'm using in this video today are from Akira Sky. They're either from the old gel polish collection or from their new Gel Pro collection. Once I apply my black, I am taking the color Flying Sparks, my glittery red, and going right over top of the black. Applying a black base under this glittery red gel just gives it so much more depth, because alone without any color underneath of it, it kind of just looks really flat like any other glittery red color. It's still beautiful, don't get me wrong, but you will see some like sparseness in the color, so the black just helps to fill in the spaces where the glitter and the red color from the base of the gel don't really completely cover it. Next, I am taking some 3D gel and I am applying at the French tip line. I'm kind of doing it like haphazardly, kind of a little swirly, just to give it some texture instead of a flat line. Then I am taking my beloved Good as Gold gel pod paint from Akira Sky and going right over the 3D design with a small detail brush. You can definitely do this design with some gold chrome powder, but I don't have any right now, so I'm just working with what I have and it still looks very nice. For the second design, I'm going back in with my base coat. I am doing 2 layers of this. Before I started my design, I put a matte top coat down, and then I was supposed to do the black on this nail before I did the glitter design, but I was just locked in, I guess, and forgot. So you're gonna see in a few clips, I did fix it. All I did was go over the glitter with the black because it is very pigmented. Didn't really notice a difference. And then I went back over it with the red glitter gel. I'm not really sure what to call this kind of design, so if you have a name for it, please let me know. I haven't really done this design a whole lot, so I'm still struggling to do it accurately, but you will see in the end that I eventually clean it up and it looks very beautiful. In the middle of the design, I wanted to put a bow, so I took my silicone mold and I filled it up with some rhinestone gel. The mold is kind of shallow for this one, so I put the rhinestone gel in and then I used my detail brush to spread it around. To secure my bow, I just put down some more rhinestone gel and I put a good bit of it on there because the bow is pretty big. I'm painting over the top of the bow with my gold gel paint. Underneath of the bow, I took the same gold gel paint and I did an outline on the bottom half of the design. Above the bow, I am taking my Kira Sky Bling It On gel and I am outlining the top, and then I'm going to be applying some teeny tiny little pearls. Hopefully my voiceover comes out a lot better for you guys. Just like a little side tangent, sorry. I am unfortunately naturally soft-spoken, very soft-spoken, and I can't help it. If I speak very loud for long periods of time or just very loud in general, it does strain my vocal cords and it hurts. Now on to the third design. I am once again applying my base color, doing 2 layers of this again. Also doing another French tip, so I am applying the black for the base and then going over top of it again with the glitter gel. I am once again taking my 3D gel and going around the outline of the French tip. Then I took my gold gel paint again and just went over top of the 3D design. I really like the way that the colors look together because the black underneath of the red glitter gives it some depth, like I said in the beginning of the video, but then the gold kind of adds like this, like, I don't know, it just looks fancy. After I completed my French tip, I wanted to do a lace-up design, so I am drawing the lines with the gold paint, and I only did just above the French tip. I didn't do the whole rest of the nail. In the center of those lines, I am placing this cute little teeny tiny nail sequin. I've had these for a really long time and I've only used them like one other time, so this was exciting for me. At the top of those lines, I placed tiny little pearls. And now finally, we're on the last nail design. Once again, going in with my base color, 2 layers. For this design, I wanted to create a heart, so I did that by using my 3D sculpting gel. I used my detail brush to move the gel a little bit to make it look more like a heart. And then I painted over it with my gold gel paint. Side of the heart, I wanted to keep it on theme, so I took my black gel and then I applied the red glitter gel over top of it. I felt like the design looked kind of plain, so I decided to torture myself by using those little teeny tiny caviar beads. To say this was probably my most tedious design that I've done yet, but it was a good exercise for me. I think that this set definitely taught me some patience and trusting myself because I tried to do this design with different colors like last month and it just wasn't coming out the way that I wanted it to. So I sat down and I tried it again and it actually exceeded my expectations. And now that I am done, it is time to top coat. I am using the Beatles gel top coat. I am running low on my Curious Guy top coats, the non-wipe and the regular one. I'm trying to conserve them for when I do my own nails instead of when I do the press-on designs. Really hope you guys like this design. This is definitely my favorite design that I've done so far. I'm really proud of myself and I'm feeling much more confident about my nail art skills. I'm definitely growing. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I would love for you to stick around, leave a comment, and I will see you all next time. Bye bye.